Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about applying the C-Compass to a controller running ArduPilot firmware. First, enable the compass. Run Mission Planner and go to Config, Full Parameter List. If the compass is connected to the CAN 1 port of the flight controller, then set the parameter CAN P1 driver equals 1. If the compass is connected to the CAN 2 port, then set CAN P2 driver equals 1. Compass details. Go to the Setup Compass page. Start calibration. Click the Start button to begin the calibration process. Rotate the vehicle in a spherical motion until the calibration is complete. Perform Excel calibration. Click Calibrate and follow the on-screen instructions. After each step, click the Click When Done button. Once calibration is complete, reconnect the flight controller in the Flight Data tab and refresh the parameters. After completing the basic calibration, you will see that the drone can now be armed successfully. That concludes this tutorial video on applying C-Compass to a controller running ArduPilot firmware. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.